Alright guys, welcome back. Hopefully you guys had a good weekend. Here's the directions for Monday. We're looking at learning styles and some different intelligence pieces of it. So here's the assignment. Um, Again, just kind of read through the handouts and then just write a 5 to 7 sentence paragraph explaining what your learning style is, maybe what your intelligence style is, what your preferences are. So I'll show you the worksheets here. So for this one, this will be like one of your paragraphs. Just figure out which one you are. Are you a visual learner? Are you auditory learner, like sound? Do you like to hear, listen? Are you like a more like a moving, tactile, kind of like to move around the classroom? So kind of just pick what style you prefer, and then just let me know in a paragraph why you like that. Why do you prefer that over the other ones? So that's the first piece of your paragraph. And the second piece of the paragraph is, again, just choose one of these different learning styles or intelligences, and then explain to me why that's your preferred style, or why you think that you learn better that way. So it should be pretty simple. It be like a 5 to 7 sentence paragraph, just explaining a little bit about it. Just utilize one piece from the first worksheet that I showed you, and then choose one from this worksheet right here. But that's basically it. Once you've picked it, once you've wrote it, or typed it, I should say, and submitted it, you're done for today. And that's it. Good luck. If you have any questions, obviously email me.